Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add blur effect to overlay only in CapCut for PC. So for example, I'm just going to add the background. Alright, um, I'm just going to add this background, add the track, and I'm just going to add the overlay. So put on top another clip. So I'm just going to resize and move and I'm going to remove the background. Just go to cutout and select other cutout. Alright, to add the blur background just for overlay, you are just going to go to effect and select the lens, select blur effect and split and remove unused. Alright, select the overlays and the effect, right click, select create component quick. So you can see the blur is applying to overlay only. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.